It's getting dark, y'all.
God damn!
Help!
Shut up, Adam. Look at that, man. Look at that, guys. Yeah.
Go change it onto the Weather Channel now.
No, I need the Dynasty's on. Shut up.
Hi,
Shut up. Let's go on YouTube.
Whoa!
Big lightning. Big lightning.
Get in! Get in, Chuck, get in!
Man, it's like she's fucking mean. What? What?
Let's go.
I'm fine.
Are you scared, Matt? You
No, I'm chasing you.
it's rain.
But when there's such rain, we need to get in.
No, I'm going to Dwayne dance.
It's already here.
I'm going right. Yeah. Then we are getting the big stuff.
We'll find Adam. What?
The big stuff.
Okay.
Hey, we should scare him.
You can.
Huh?
What?
Nothing. This is real. God, it's starting right. Get in. Matthew, get in.
Okay, I will. Right back here's looking mean. What? Okay. Go.
All three of us.
Go. What? Yeah? Okay.
Tracy's staying out here. We're coming on. You have to come in.
Hey, Adam, it's fine.
Okay, you want a bubble bath? In the rain, when the power goes out.
Yeah, what does it do?
Chase, just go in.
Why? Alright, come on, let's go in the beach.
No, you have to go in. Like, even the car, I think it's just by
You going first. No, you going.
Listen, you can pause this side. Oh, what?
Are you?
Yeah, we better.
Now.
Adam, why don't you go in?
In the meantime, quick! Get in there!
Where you go, Adam? What?
Get in! Get in!
Come on, let's bump to the truck, please.
Chase, it's a bad idea.
It's a good idea for me. God damn!
When are you going in?
Later, when the rain starts, when the
It's starting.
when the rain actually comes, Adam.
Wait, what about this?
Oh my God.
Nobody can see me. Chase, get in!